just in line to try and pull some people out. Large number of boats here.
We may have to take that seat down when we get up there.
Probably.
Take it back there.
I mean, if anybody's in a wheelchair, we're gonna have to put them in that section there.
We have to have it to get in.